two girls' parents.
Linda and Mary are good friends. Linda is 13. She comes from America. Mary is 12. She is from London. They study in the same school, but in different classes. Linda's father teaches in a middle school. Her mother drives a car. Mary's mother works with machines. Her father makes cars. They can speak English, French, and a little Chinese. Linda's mother likes cooking. She likes eating rice. But Linda's father doesn't. He likes drinking milk and eating bread. Mary's mother doesn't like cooking, but she likes making clothes. She can make beautiful blouses and dresses. Mary's father likes doing housework and mending things. Now he is cleaning the room. Look, Mary is helping her father.